dear children, welcome back to English 1 classes. Today we're going to start off with a new poem, that is Trains, written by James S. Tippett. Now, before we start off with the poem, I want to ask you something. Have you ever traveled on a train? Traveled means zin. Train izin to train nen. If yes, did you enjoy? Nuamin tm in the choo-choo train. So, if not, let us learn, let us read this poem and find out where a train goes. Ready, guys? Trains by James S. Tippett. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, full stop. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail, full stop. Thousands of freight cars, all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, full stop. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, full stop. Now let us move on to new words. Mountains, passengers, rivers, precious, mail, plains, dusk, and dawn. So what is the meaning of mountains? Tlang tina. Passengers, mishing tuang tika. Rivers, lui. Precious, omziatsu, tilhu takte. Mail, lekaton. Plains, paizol. Dusk, tlai nu mo, that is called dusk. Dawn, kofinsa, zing kovar, zing akwa in maka, dawn, and the atimlai, berka, that is dawn. So what does the poem mean? Over the mountains, train kakoya tinge klanchen, tlang zungaten, over the plains, pai zungaten, lui zungaten, trains a local, tini, here come the trains. Again, purchin carrying passengers, in shatohan carrying mail, bring their precious loads in without fail, until hutak the zu. Hot some mialawin king chain and yen run poor chain fail hot some. Alright. Now thousands of freight cars. Freight. Omziatsu bungro til poor chain motor mo bungro til poor chain. So in this picture you can see here they keep it, the loads here, the freight here. So all rushing on motor til poor motor te katam tagan muni. Today in darkness to dusk and dawn. Zing a changa tim theng ko en lai changa tim theng tuk at lai changa zing theng mo ni leng en tina ni chu. Over the mountains lang chunga pai chunga ten tui chunga ten James local atini. So do you understand the poem? And now after this I want you to replay the video and read along the poem Trains and record it and send it to my WhatsApp number before the due date. Thank you, children. That's it for today. Bye.